Namaste. I'm very happy we have Anubha Kathuria ma'am. She's a parent and teens coach. She loves to work with women. She's a healer and she's amazing. Let's hear her transformation story. Welcome Anubha ma'am.
Hi Sunny, I love what you call yourself. मेरे लिए तो इतनी बड़ी introduction दे दी, but I love what you call yourself, Chief Smile Officer. You keep smiling and you keep smiling and spreading smiles also. Amazing. So nice to be here.
I'm truly blessed with all wonderful people around me. They bless me. They wish me all good things. And I'm just celebrating my life. So today it's your day. Let's hear your transformation story. Please share with us the journey, the magical experiences God blessed you with, the making of Anubha Kathuria, the making of a coach.
Yeah. Uh, Thank you. It really actually is a story of transformation and my joy in sharing this. So, story. So how does the story begin? Just like, once upon a time. So again, the story also begins like that. So once upon a time, um, when my teen was growing up, so he has been a very introverted and soft and quiet kind of a fellow. And it suited me fine. I mean, I tried to change him in becoming like me, boisterous and talkative and all of that. But he was still suiting me that the way he was, सब बातें सुनता था, प्यार से रहता था, and all of that. And then suddenly he became a teenager, and there were these, obviously there were those hormonal changes that he was experiencing. And we used to start, our relationship went from very very smooth and very very cool to a little disturbance वाला relationship, जहाँ पे एकदम से तूफान आता था, settle भी हो जाता था, but तूफान बहुत आने शुरू हो गए थे. And that's the time I started to realize, that maybe he needs some kind of support, some kind of help. कोई कोच चाहिए उसको या कुछ ऐसा चाहिए जो उसको सपोर्ट करे, क्योंकि वो बिल्कुल बेकार होता जा रहा है अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. लेकिन what happened was that as once I was speaking to him and we were going through some kind of an argument, and I was shouting and screaming and everything. And what I realized was suddenly it was like, as if I had stepped out of myself, Sunny. And I realized that, अरे help उसको तो नहीं चाहिए, help तो मुझको चाहिए, because I am the one going crazy. And that was a aha moment for me. I realized that, वो बड़ा हो गया लेकिन मैं बड़ी नहीं हुई हूँ. And that's how my journey began also. And from then I started feeling, I started working on myself. The inner journey began of learning things and everything. And here I am now, coaching people with similar pains.
Amazing,
And
amazing. Truly, I'm just visualizing so many, viewers will love your story and will resonate with the points, with the pain points, with the magic, with the transformation. Ki Bhagwan is only offering us different situations, gifts, only for us to evolve. And it is not the samne wala who needs therapy or coaching or gyan or the healing. It's we who are growing with every situation in front of us. So beautifully said, so beautifully narrated. So thankful to you. I'm sure every teacher will love this. Every teenager will love this. That yes, it's time to change. It's time to transform. Stop teaching, start transforming for aha moments every day. Now,
absolutely.
quick tips. How can I be happy? How can one be happy?
So, I don't know about the tips, but I would like to add a little bit more here. Like you are saying, stop teaching, start transforming. What happened, Sunny, after I started working on myself, after I went through this transformation journey, after I became a coach, after I understood myself, after I had become more and more self aware, what happened was nothing changed outside, but everything was different. My relationship with my son evolved, it strengthened. It's not like we don't fight now, we do, but we become friends, like quicker and faster.
ब्यूटिफुल. तो लहरें आएंगी और वो थम जाएंगी. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि बोट हिलेगी नहीं. ये बोट हिलेगी क्योंकि आप पानी में हो. बोट नहीं हिलेगी इफ इट इज नॉट इन द वाटर्स. सो बोट का काम है हिलना, लेकिन मैं शांत रहूं, मैं संभला रहूं. सो ब्यूटिफुली सेड मैम, थैंक यू. दैट suffering, pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. Now we are no more suffering, we are handling, we are managing ourselves
Absolutely.
better. Yes, beautiful. So what is the secret of your success?
तो आप मुझसे टिप्स भी पूछ रहे थे, सक्सेस पूछ रहे हो, तो सक्सेस का आई थिंक सनी, I have been into various industries, okay? Like I've been into content, I've been into PR, I've been into so many things. Now I'm a coach. I also do pottery, by the way. And
Super.
success for me is peace at the end of the day.
Beautiful.
Fortunately, I am fortunate enough that I don't have to run after money. So that is my privilege. I wouldn't say that, मेरा वो privilege है. And for me, everybody's success definition of success is and should be different. The minute we start comparing my success with another coach's or my son's success with another person's, results and stuff like that, that's where the pain begins. So for me, in my position of privilege and serving and everything, my unique definition of success is peace at the end of the day. That's all.
Superb. So मैंने एक इक्वेशन बना लिया है. Happiness is equal to success is equal to peace. We can't, these three are same for me now with after listening to you. So I'm very happy. Another point which I liked was our definition need not be same. Very good. But let us learn from each other. And you have a beautiful mantra. It is working for you. And I think peace and happiness works for everyone. It's a common factor. Money is extra. You want, you make, no problem. Okay. Any tip for teachers?
So, Sunny, teachers के लिए मैं क्या टिप दूँ? Teachers तो but what I really am liking now in the education system is that more and more teachers are opening up for these life skills. They are realizing that happiness as a curriculum will work. That peace is, and peace and happiness, they are actually inside job. वो बाहर से नहीं मिलता, वो अंदर से आता है, and then we bring it into our situations. We have to bring it into our situations. नहीं तो otherwise life becomes, when I do this, then I will be happy. When I marry, then I will be successful. When I make 1 crore, then I will be successful. So I see more and more teachers putting, the focus on happiness, on well-being, on emotional and mental well-being. And I think that's a wonderful step towards education and towards actually bringing up and raising a whole conscious generation. And I
मदर
think that's
टेरेसा
really
बोलूं,
nice.
ओपरा बोलूं, दलाई लामा जी बोलूं, क्या बोलूं आपको, मजा आ गया. यू सेड इट सो
अनु भाई
ब्यूटीफुल.
बोल लो.
क्योंकि मार्क्स नहीं, पैसा नहीं, इंक्रीमेंट नहीं. Happiness and peace is an inside job. I postponed. Good. Thank you. Now, one tip for school
Because
leader. हाँ जी.
Sunny, paisa, marks, everything matters. It's not, I'm not denying those things. I'm not saying कि अरे बिना पैसे, you've heard that, right? Like भूखे पेट तो भजन भी नहीं होता. तो नहीं होता. Actually नहीं होता. But what are you chasing in life? Where is your focus? That is important. So if I am a good person, I'm happy, I'm bringing happiness, I'm serving people, money will follow. पैसे देंगे लोग, क्यों नहीं देंगे for my service if I'm serving,
Correct. And there is
right?
a
So
saying.
अगर मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, अगर मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, मैं खुश हूँ, मैं अच्छे से पढ़ रही हूँ, I'm doing what I enjoy doing, marks क्यों नहीं आएंगे? And they will matter till they don't.
Beautiful, honest hard work with faith, because nature will provide always to honest and hardworking people. Very beautiful. So I also believe that let's not get into अरे marks नहीं चाहिए पैसा नहीं चाहिए. Beautiful, beautiful.
हाँ,
So वो
हाँ.
आता है to all the imandars, to all the hardworking souls. So keep serving with the smile like Anuva ma'am. Bas. My last question is one tip for school leaders,
For school
principals. They
leaders.
also have pressure, you know.
So I think one tip would be to continue doing the great job that they are doing. They are actually, we
Truly,
think
truly.
that we are at home, and so what I really see, and I actually, it's a tip to the parents. Don't I have seen this. It's not a tip to the leaders right now. I want to give a tip to the parents that don't respect करो अपने बच्चों के टीचर्स की, people, some parents actually do not talk very well about the teachers, and I don't like that. They will say अरे उसने उसकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई, अरे उसने ऐसे ऊंचा कैसे बोला, अरे and I have seen conflicts happen there. So I think, the tip to the parents are that, know your child and know yourself. And the same tip goes for the leaders. To be conscious leaders, know yourself, be self-aware, and know that not everybody is same. And just like, I would love to say this, and this is my favorite mantra, is that everybody is unique and nobody is special.
Super. Know yourself is peace. Know yourself. Recognize yourself. Work
Yeah,
on
and
yourself.
recognize the, अगर आप अपने आप को recognize कर लोगे, aware हो जाओगे, if you honor that uniqueness in yourself, then only you will be able to honor the uniqueness in the other person also. उसके अलावा नहीं है कोई कारण कुछ.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was truly a great session with you, learning from you. Amazing journey. You speak from the heart and it touches the heart. My last smiling question or tip or advice or request is कि एक गाना अगर आपको गाना हो तो
मुझे गाना भी गवाओगे.
चलो गाना फिर हम बाद
तो
में गा लेंगे. हाँ.
तो मेरी कॉलर ट्यून है कल हो ना हो, एंड दैट्स माय फेवरेट सॉन्ग.
बढ़िया बढ़िया.
हर
लास्ट में
पल
एकदम
यहाँ जी
musical.
भर जियो, जो है
बिल्कुल
समा कल हो ना हो.
बिल्कुल मैम. कल हो ना हो. So thank you for your time.
शाहरुख.
Thank you so much. It was a beautiful experience, and I'll cherish this interview forever and ever and ever. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Sunny, for spreading smiles, being the smile, and having me on this platform. Thank you so much. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Take care. Bye.